Hello friends, we are solving MCQs over differentiation under integral sign. So let's start with the examples. First example, if I of a is given integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus ax upon x sec x dx where a is greater than 0, then what is the value for di by dA using du as? So this is our question. So again we need to observe what are the limits of the given integral. If you'll observe, the limits are the constants 0 to infinity. So we need to use rule 1 of du is. So rule 1 of du is. So what says rule 1? If we'll take the differential of I of a with respect to the parameter, in this case the parameter is a, integration 0 to infinity, you need to take the partial differential of e raised to minus ax minus e raised to minus ax upon x sec x dx. Okay, and if we'll solve this integration 0 to infinity, now you need to take the derivative, partial derivative of this given function with respect to a. So obviously the functions of x will be constant. So 1 upon x into sec x will be constant. Derivative of e raised to minus x with respect to a will be 0 because e raised to a minus x is a constant. Minus derivative of e raised to minus x with respect to a is minus e raised to minus x into minus x dx. Okay, if we'll simplify this, this will be integration 0 to infinity 1 upon x sec x minus minus will be plus, this will be x into e raised to minus ax dx. So again this x get cancelled. So finally this is equal to integration 0 to infinity e raised to minus ax upon sec x dx. So this is value for d by dA of I. Okay, this is I. So your answer number B is the right answer. Next question, if phi of a is given, what is phi of a? Integration 0 to infinity 1 by x square log of 1 plus a x square dx. Then what is value for d phi by dA? So this is our question. So again you need to observe what are the limits. Limits are constants and the parameter is, what is parameter? Parameter is a. Okay, so we can use rule number 1 of DUIS. So what says rule number 1? You can take the derivative of phi of a with respect to the parameter. So there will be change in the RHS. So take the partial derivative of the given function 1 by x square log of 1 plus x square dx. So this is equal to integration 0 to infinity. Now take out the derivative of this given function with respect to a, means x will be constant. So 1 by x square will be constant and derivative of log of 1 plus ax square with respect to a is 1 upon 1 plus ax square into derivative of 1 plus ax square with respect to a, that is equal to x square dx. Okay, so this is equal to integration 0 to infinity, x square cancels. So what remains? 1 upon 1 plus ax square dx. Okay, so this is your answer. Option D is the right answer. Next question, if f of y is given, f of y is integration 0 to infinity sin xy upon x into a square plus x square dx, then they have asked what is d phi by dy. Okay, now if we'll observe again, y is parameter and x is a variable. So and also the limits are constant. So we can use rule 1 of DUIS. So what is rule 1? df by dy differentiate with respect to the parameter. Parameter is y equal to integration 0 to infinity. Take partial derivative with respect to parameter y of the given function sine of xy upon x into a square plus x square dx. Okay, so this is equal to integration 0 to infinity. Now take the derivative with respect to y. So when you are taking partial derivative with respect to y, x will be constant. Okay, so this term will be constant. 1 upon x into a square plus x square will be constant, and derivative of sine of xy with respect to y is cos of xy into x. So again this x cancels. Okay, so what will happen? This will be integration 0 to infinity cos xy upon a square plus x square dx. Okay, if you will observe the options, so option number B is the right answer. Next question. If phi of a is given, phi of a is integration 0 to pi by 2 log of 1 plus a sine square x upon sine square x dx, where a is greater than 0, and they are asked what is d phi by dA. So again by observation you can see the limits are constant and a is the parameter. A is parameter. So by rule 1, again rule 1 of DUIS, you can take the differential of phi with respect to the parameter. This will be integration 0 to pi by 2 dabba by dabba a of log of 1 plus a sine square x upon sine square x dx. Okay, so if you will take the derivative with respect to the parameter a, so 1 by sine square x will be constant, and derivative of this term with respect to a will be 1 upon 1 plus a sine square x, and derivative of this sine square x with respect to a is what? Sine square x dx. So again if you will observe, this sine square x cancels. Okay, so what remains? Integration 0 to pi by 2 1 upon 1 plus a sine square x dx, and this is value for d phi by dA. So option A, option number C is the right answer. Next question. So using DUIS rule, what is given? Given is phi of a equal to 0 to infinity log of 1 plus ax square upon x square dx with d phi by dA equal to pi by 2 1 by root 2. So they have asked what is phi of a. So our question is to find what is phi of a. So we need to use what are the things which are given to us. So we have given this differential equation d phi by dA equal to pi by 2 into 1 by root a, 1 by root a. Okay, so we need to convert this given differential equation to the variable separable form. So its variable separable form will be phi of a equal to pi by 2 into 1 by root a into dA. So this equation is in now variable separable form. So we can find its solution just by integrating on both sides. So pi by 2 is constant. So integration will be 1 by root a dA plus some arbitrary constant k. So integration of d phi is phi is equal to pi by 2. Integration of 1 by root a is nothing but integration of a raised to minus half with respect to a plus k. So this is pi by 2 a raised to half upon half plus k. Therefore we get the value for phi of a equal to 2 cancels, pi into a raised to half plus k. So this is our equation number 2, and suppose this is our equation number 1. Okay, now using equation number 1, what is equation number 1? Phi of a equal to integration 0 to infinity log of 1 plus ax square upon x square dx. If I'll put a is equal to 0, then this term will be phi of 0, and in RHS this will be integration 0 to infinity log of 1 plus 0 upon x square dx, which is ultimately equal to 0. So from this we got the value for phi of 0, which is equal to 0. Okay, now from equation 2, what is the equation 2? Phi of a is equal to pi into root a plus k. If we'll put here a equal to 0, then this term will become phi of 0 equal to pi into 0 plus k. This will be k. Phi of 0 value is what? K. But from this, what we have got? But phi of 0 is 0. So from these two equations, we get the value for k equal to 0. Therefore, our equation 2 become what? It will be phi of a is what? Pi root a plus 0. This is equal to pi into root a. So this should be our final answer. So if you will observe, option number A is the right answer. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.